While competitors' robots are tripping down stairs and losing control, Tesla's Optimus is already performing professional dance moves. And that's just the prototype. At the 2025 shareholders meeting, Musk confirmed Gen 3 launches Q1 2026 for under $20,000 with 1,500 pre-installed tasks. Gen 4 hits 2027 with 5,000 tasks. Gen 5 in 2028 reaches 6,500. But here's the critical detail. Musk is prioritizing homemaker and surgeon roles first. Why these two specific markets? And here's what's documented. It learns 100 new tasks daily from YouTube videos. Engineers report it handles tasks that make new human workers fumble. So the real question, at $20,000 with near-surgical precision, what industry survives this? Let's decode what Musk revealed at the 2025 shareholders meeting. Gen 3 isn't just another prototype. It's the first retail version, hitting markets Q1 2026 at under $20,000. That's the price of a used Honda Civic for a robot that comes with 1,500 pre-installed tasks and expands to 3,000 through free updates. Gen 4 enters production in 2027 with 5,000 tasks and nearly double the intelligence. Gen 5 launches in 2028 with 6,500 tasks, what Musk calls near-perfect precision. This isn't an accidental timeline. It's an annual release cycle designed to dominate before competitors catch up. When you see Optimus 3, Musk said, "It will seem as if there's someone like a person in a robot outfit." By Gen 5, the line between human and machine becomes disturbingly thin. Musk believes Optimus will become bigger than cell phones, the biggest product of all time. That's not hype when you look at the market he's targeting. Global household labor is valued at $11 trillion annually. Cooking, cleaning, laundry, childcare. These tasks consume 25 to 30 hours per week for the average household. At $20,000, Optimus pays for itself in less than 2 years if it replaces even part-time domestic help. But here's what most people miss. Homemaker tasks aren't the end goal. They're the training ground for something far more significant. These tasks require dexterity, decision-making, and interaction with unpredictable environments. Exactly what surgical robots need. Tesla leaked videos show Optimus 2.5 already handling delicate operations, sorting objects, self-balancing when impacted, performing intricate finger movements. Engineers report it's handling tasks where new human factory workers fumble. That precision didn't happen by accident. Optimus engineers built dozens of miniature actuators into each robotic hand, creating 22 degrees of freedom. Musk emphasized the challenge. The human hand is a masterpiece, extremely dexterous and delicate. Replicating it is the biggest challenge. Tesla possesses all three critical pieces: engineering of arms and hands, AI in real-world environments, and mass production capability. No competitor has this combination. Through intensive training, Optimus learns that a knife cuts, a jar holds sauce, a pan cooks. This information processes through its central AI brain, enabling real-time decisions with remarkable precision. Using advanced networks of cameras and 3D sensors, Optimus recognizes objects not just by shape, but by function. Every movement results from millions of micro-calculations happening in fractions of a second. This is where the surgical connection becomes clear. Musk stated Optimus could become a surgical robot with near-absolute precision. That's based on documented factory performance, where current Optimus operates so smoothly that it leaves engineers in silence. Gen 4's hands will have significantly better dexterity than Gen 3, allowing jobs requiring high precision, assembling small components, tasks demanding delicate manipulation. The control systems are so sophisticated that if leaked or hacked, they could pose direct threats to human safety. Tesla's building multi-layered security ecosystems, data encryption, real-time monitoring, AI firewalls, automatic safety locks. But here's the reality. Unlike electric vehicles, humanoid robots learn and self-adjust behavior through machine learning. Every advancement in cognitive abilities means increased security risks. Over the past few years, Tesla silently rebuilt Optimus from the inside out. Current Optimus is an extremely sophisticated system where every movement is smooth, precise, purposeful. If a $20,000 robot can operate with near absolute precision, what happens to specialized medical procedures currently costing hundreds of thousands of dollars? This brings us to perhaps the most disruptive feature. Gen 3 can learn 100 new tasks daily just by watching YouTube videos. Your $20,000 robot observes cooking tutorials, repair guides, cleaning techniques, any visual content, and translates what it sees into action. The process works like this. Tesla provides a video of a chef preparing a steak. In a simulated environment, Optimus practices cooking that steak billions of times, experimenting with different techniques. Each mistake triggers AI adjustments. Once it reaches near-perfect success rates, say 99%, Optimus is ready for real-world performance. This training allows it to learn exponentially faster than traditional methods. If you own an Optimus, you can train it directly through hands-on demonstration. Say, help me iron this shirt. You demonstrate once. Turn on the iron, move it across fabric. Optimus observes, analyzes, attempts the task. If it makes mistakes, you correct it. It remembers and improves. Every instructional video uploaded online becomes a potential lesson. Its learning is cumulative and scalable, a stark contrast to traditional automation that's rigid and task-specific. The implications extend far beyond household assistance. Optimus could learn specialized tasks in factories, laboratories, healthcare facilities simply by observing trained professionals. This drastically reduces training costs and makes highly adaptable robotic workforces reality. Tesla's already testing Optimus in their own factories. At $20,000 with continuously expanding capabilities, Optimus becomes economically viable for virtually any business currently employing minimum wage workers. Restaurant chains, retail stores, warehouses, cleaning services, elderly care facilities, construction sites, everywhere humans perform repetitive physical tasks becomes potential deployment zones. Because Optimus learns from observation, training time drops from weeks to hours. What makes this timeline realistic is Tesla's production revolution that nobody saw coming. While everyone focuses on Optimus, Tesla's been revolutionizing manufacturing with Cybercab technology that transfers directly to robot production. Instead of conventional assembly lines, Tesla's unboxed process builds major sections in parallel at different stations. This allows multiple engineers and automated systems working simultaneously, dramatically reducing production time and factory space. The target is one complete Cybercab every 10 seconds. Tesla's Model Y currently takes about 1 minute at Giga Shanghai. Cybercab represents a six-fold speed increase. If achieved at full capacity, they estimate 2 to 3 million units annually from a single production line. Apply that methodology to Optimus and the scale becomes staggering. The manufacturing breakthrough uses paint-infused plastic panels where paint injects directly during molding. This eliminates traditional paint shops entirely. Component simplification supports cost reduction. Cybercab has approximately half the parts of Model 3. The same principle applies to Optimus. Fewer parts, faster assembly, lower costs. Tesla's dedicating roughly 85% of resources to humanoid robots and Cybercab in the near term. They're not building two separate products. They're building an integrated ecosystem. The same production efficiency, battery technology, AI systems. Cybercab becomes the transportation layer for Optimus. Your robot doesn't just work in your home. It travels autonomously to perform tasks elsewhere. Tesla's contingency planning reveals they understand the political landscape. While Musk emphasizes futuristic designs, Tesla chairwoman Robin Denholm noted they can add traditional controls if regulators require them. The same flexibility applies to Optimus. This adaptability positions Tesla to navigate regulatory challenges while competitors struggle. At what point does convenience become replacement? Musk claims Optimus could help eradicate poverty through valuable work it can perform. The other interpretation is systematic replacement of human labor across multiple sectors simultaneously. The technology is advancing faster than society's ability to adapt. Gen 3 launches in months with capabilities that seemed science fiction just years ago. So here's the answer to why Musk prioritized Homemaker and surgeon roles first. They're not separate markets. They're the same skill set. Master the delicate, unpredictable tasks of a home environment, and you've built a robot capable of surgical precision. The $11 trillion household labor market becomes the testing ground for disrupting the $500 billion global healthcare industry. That's the strategy nobody saw coming. Gen 3 launches Q1 2026 at under $20,000 with 1,500 tasks. Gen 4 in 2027 with 5,000 tasks. Gen 5 in 2028 with 6,500 tasks and near-perfect precision. Each generation doubles in capability while staying affordable. And with the ability to learn 100 new tasks daily from YouTube, we're not watching incremental automation. We're witnessing the emergence of a workforce that learns faster than humans. No industry built on repetitive labor survives this unchanged. Tesla's dedicating 85% of resources to Optimus and Cybercab, building an integrated ecosystem where production breakthroughs in one product accelerate the other. When Cybercab production hits 1 unit every 10 seconds, that same technology scales Optimus manufacturing to millions of units annually. The economics shift so dramatically that businesses adapting first gain insurmountable advantages. What happens when your $20,000 robot learns surgery from YouTube and cooks better than restaurants? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Tesla Zone, where we break down every Tesla breakthrough with real analysis. If you want to stay ahead of developments like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And if this analysis added value, drop a like on this video. It helps us bring you more in-depth coverage. The question isn't whether this transformation happens, it's who adapts first. We'll see you in the next one.